Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a refinance coin. What is the current price of refinance coin? And in this video I will talk about the urgent update of refinance coin friends. So as you can see here, the currently price of the refinance coin at this time is about 0.038857 USD dollar is the currently highest price at this time of refinance coin friends. If we talk about the price change occur in the refinance coin, so as you can see here at this time the price change goes negative in the last 1 hour only. It's a good time, it's a good news for all refinance holders. As you can see here, the last 1 day change as positive goes at this time 0.34%. They are not a best positive, but soon they become so as you know, it is the start of new month. That is why the price change goes far. As you can see now, the farming period of the refinance coin at this time starts now. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart on the screen. As you can see here, that is the last 12-hour price prediction chart friends. If we talk about the price change occur only and only the last 12 hours, so the price change is about negative 6.98% change occur in the refinance coin. And same like that, if we talk about the highest price of refinance coin, so 0.041774 USD dollar is the highest price of refinance coin and the last 12-hour period friends. Same like that, if we talk about the price chart, so as you can see here, only and only fast occur in the refinance coin. That is only one reason, because as you know, that is the start of new month and a lot of people goes to sell refinance coin. That is why they falls down every minute by minute and second by second falls down occur in the refinance coin. So don't worry about this fast. Soon the change become positive and they will give you a good amount of profits. So if you are a holder of refinance coin, so what should you do at this time friends? I think it's the best decision for all of you to hold your coin with at this time friends. As you know, now the price are negative, but soon they become positive. After 2 days, after 3 days, the price change become high and they take a high jump friends. So hope you like this video. What's your opinion about refinance coin? Please share in the comment box and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.